Tennis fever sa Toronto, kung saan naghahanda ang komunidad sa paparating na National Bank Open. Sa report ni Paula Saraza, isa sa mga inaabangan sa nasabing tournament ang paglahok ni Filipino tennis athlete Alex Ayala.
Nasa 10,000 katao ang pupuno rito sa Sobe Stadium para sa gaganaping National Bank Open sa Agosto. Kaabang-abang para sa mga Pilipino dito sa Canada dahil kalahok dito ang sumisikat na Filipino tennis player, Alex Ayala.
It would be incredible, honestly, really incredible. Alex ends up winning on the hard court, winning the championship, the Canadian Open, and we're going to be here cheering her on.
Umaasang mapanood ng live ang kanyang idolo, isa lang si Chris Pangilinan sa libu-libong Filipino fans na nag-aabang sa game schedule ni Ayala na unang beses lalahok sa laro sa Toronto.
My friends and I have discussed about buying a 4-game package because we just don't know when she's going to be playing.
Our social media, our website is absolutely blowing up. She's the #1 favorite on our website at this time.
Ayon sa tournament director na si Carl Hale, mula raw nang i-anunsyong maglalaro si Ayala sa women's tournament ng National Bank Open, dinagsa na raw ng mga mensahe mula sa mga Filipino fan ang website at email ng NBO Toronto. Masumikat si Ayala na ngayon world number 29 na sa singles ranking ng Women's Tennis Association matapos ang kanyang makasaysayang Wimbledon run bilang kauna-unahang Filipino tennis player na nakaabot sa round 4 ng torneo.
The Filipinos are passionate about tennis, so now they have their own star to cheer for, and it creates a really great subculture at our tournament where different fans and countries cheer their players on, so we're really excited to see her.
Ani Hale, nakatutok ang marami kay Ayala at umaasang malayo ang mararating nito sa tournament. Kamakailan lamang ng ibahaging seeded player ang Pilipina at nakakuha ng first round bye sa torneo.
We have 128 draw, 96 are in the draw, and the top 32 are seeded, so they won't play each other in the early rounds. So it helps her go farther in the tournament. And also she's looking to play doubles as well, but hasn't announced it.
Kasunod ng Wimbledon at US Open, third oldest active tournament ang NBO na dinadagsa ng libu-libong manonood. Bukod kasi sa pagsuporta sa Canadian players, pagkakataon din ng kilalang sports event para mas makilala ang mga talento ng iba pang mga manlalaro mula sa iba pang mga bansa. Bagamat sa July 31 pagaganapin ang draw kung saan malalaman ang buong schedule ng players, paalala ni Hale sa fans ni Ayala.
What we do know is that she'll be playing a second round match, so it'll be on August 4th or 5th. So those are the days to put on your calendar and get ready to see her play.
Alex, I know you've seen the Filipino community across the world, in Europe, in Australia, now in North America, and then in Toronto. You're going to have the full support of Filipinos. As we are as a culture and a ethnicity, we always support our own.
Mag-uumpisa ang National Bank Open presented by Rogers sa August 1 at tatakbo hanggang August 13. Rogers ang parent company ng Omni Television. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.